You drink water every morning, a full glass, just like every health video says. Yet your energy fades before noon. Your legs feel heavy, your mind dull, and that strong morning reaction you once had, it's gone. You think, but I drink plenty of water, so why do I still feel dry, weak, and tired? The truth is, your body isn't missing water. It's missing spark, and with one small, natural change to how you drink it, you can reignite blood flow, restore clarity, and even bring back that silent sign of vitality in the morning. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men after 60 regain their circulation, strength, and confidence without medication. Today, I'll reveal the one mineral balance trick that makes your water work with your body again. Most men have never heard this before, but once you understand it, you'll never drink plain water the same way again. Here's the simple truth. Plain water hydrates the outside of your cells, but can't cross the cell wall unless the body carries an electrical charge. That charge comes from electrolytes, tiny minerals like sodium, potassium, and trace elements that act as wiring in your biological circuit. Think of your body like an electric car. The water is the battery fluid, but without charge, it can't move a single inch. After 60, that natural electric potential weakens, leaving your cells thirsty even when you drink all day. But here's the exciting part. By adjusting just one small thing in how you drink water each morning, you can switch that current back on in the next few minutes. I'll show you the exact morning electrolyte ritual that restores circulation from the inside out, so your energy, focus, and yes, your morning vitality return naturally. Stay with me, because this is the simplest upgrade your health will ever need. Let me give you a quick reward before we go any further. Tomorrow morning, when you drink your first glass of water, try this. Add just a tiny pinch of unrefined sea salt, barely enough to cover the tip of your finger. Stir it. Drink it slowly. Within minutes, that dull heaviness you often feel in your legs or your head begins to fade. That's not magic. It's cellular hydration in action. The salt helps your body pull water into your cells, not just around them. You will feel the difference, clearer mind, steadier energy. Sometimes within a single day, but that's only half the story. Because if you want that effect to last, especially for blood flow and performance, you'll need to understand why plain water fails in the first place. And that's exactly what I'll show you next. You see, most men think dehydration means they just need more water. But here's the overlooked truth. After 60, your body doesn't lose water. It loses its ability to hold it. When you were young, your kidneys were like top-tier filters, perfectly balancing water and minerals. Your cells were like soft sponges, ready to absorb every drop you drank. But as you age, those same cells turn more like dry, cracked soil. You pour water on them, and it simply runs off. So even if you drink 8 glasses a day, your body stays silently dehydrated, not from lack of water, but from lack of charge. Inside every healthy cell, there's a subtle electrical field that decides what gets in and what stays out. That current, powered by minerals, tells your body, pull this water in, use it, keep it. But when minerals like sodium and potassium decline, as they naturally do with age and modern diets, that current weakens. Your cells stop listening. They close their gates. That's why you can drink all day long, yet your mouth still feels dry, your skin dull, your energy fading. It's not your fault. Your body's wiring has simply lost its conductivity. And here's the real shocker. When your cells stop holding water, your blood thickens, your circulation slows, and the very tissues responsible for your morning vitality stop receiving enough oxygen. This isn't just about thirst. It's about the slow electrical burnout of aging. The good news? You can recharge that current naturally. And it starts with how you prepare that very first glass of water in the morning. Think of your body every morning like a house waking up after a long, quiet night. Lights flicker on, circuits reconnect. But only if there's current running through the wires. Without that spark, nothing truly powers on. And that spark, for your body, comes from electrolyte balance. When you start your day with plain water, it's like flipping a switch with no electricity behind it. You're moving fluid, but not energy, to truly turn the lights back on. Your body needs a mix of trace minerals that restore its internal wiring. That's why the men who add just a pinch of the right minerals in the morning often say, "I finally feel awake again." In every sense of the word. Here's how it works. A small amount of unrefined sea salt brings sodium and dozens of trace minerals back online. Then, a few drops of liquid zinc act like an ignition key, supporting hormone balance and cellular repair. Together, they jumpstart your sodium-potassium pump, the tiny molecular engine that drives every heartbeat, every muscle contraction, and yes, every moment of circulation down there. As this current flows, your cells open their doors. Water enters freely, blood vessels relax, and oxygen delivery increases throughout the body. Within minutes, you've gone from hydrated on paper to electrically alive. And this is where most men notice something surprising. Warm hands, clearer focus, and stronger morning circulation they haven't felt in years. That's the morning circuit. A 30-second ritual that doesn't just hydrate. It reboots your internal power grid, because once your cells are charged again, everything, from your brain to your blood flow, begins to run the way it used to. Now, imagine doing this every morning for 3 weeks straight. No pills, no drastic changes, just a smarter glass of water, charged, not plain. During the first few days, you'll notice subtle shifts. You wake easier. Your head feels clearer. Your legs don't ache as much when you stand. By the end of the second week, most men describe something remarkable. Their body feels younger on the inside. Because once your cells start holding water properly, your blood becomes smoother, your vessels relax, and circulation flows like it's meant to. And that improvement doesn't stop at your hands or your heart. It reaches the quiet places that define a man's confidence every morning. Here's the deeper science. When cells are fully hydrated from within, they release nitric oxide, nature's own signal for blood vessel expansion. That single molecule transforms sluggish blood flow into steady strength, feeding your muscles, brain, and yes, your most vital tissues. So in 3 short weeks, you're not just hydrated, you've literally retrained your body to move blood with youthful efficiency. Most men don't need new medication. They just need to restore the current nature designed to keep them alive, awake, and powerful. So treat these 3 weeks as your reboot period, a time when every sip rewires something inside you. Because when hydration turns electric, circulation becomes effortless. And the difference, you'll feel every single morning. So what does all this mean for you? It means your energy, your focus, and your performance were never truly gone. They were simply disconnected. Your body still has the potential to feel alive. It just needed its wiring restored. Every cell in you runs on water, but not just any water. It needs water that carries information, minerals, and life. When you restore that natural charge, your circulation, your heart, and your confidence begin to move in rhythm again. It's not about how much water you drink. It's about how well your body uses it. That's why this small, daily ritual works. It doesn't fight aging. It partners with nature. It turns hydration into communication, a language your body remembers from youth. So every glass becomes more than a habit. It becomes a signal, a reminder to your body that it can still flow, still strengthen, still thrive. And that's the real secret. After 60, vitality doesn't fade. It simply waits for you to turn it back on. If today's video helped you see water in a new way, make tomorrow morning the start of your reconnection. Just 1 glass, charged with minerals, not chemicals, can change how your body feels for the rest of the day. Try it for 3 weeks and watch your clarity, circulation, and confidence quietly come back. If you found this helpful, please take a second to like this video, subscribe, and share it with another man over 60 who's still wondering why he feels tired despite doing everything right. Your simple click helps more men discover natural, science-backed ways to restore vitality without pills or pressure. In the next video, I'll reveal the 3 specific morning minerals that keep your blood vessels open and your energy stable all day long, and one common mistake that silently drains it. You won't want to miss that. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, reminding you, your body hasn't stopped working. It's just waiting for you to turn the power back on. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your supplement or hydration routine. Individual results may vary based on age, health condition, and consistency of use.